Archiving in AMP. AMP allows for the uploading of various documents to ensure rapid access and storage security. Only aircraft linked to the AMO may have documents linked and uploaded. Select the archive on the main menu. The archive documents include work packs, certificate of airworthiness copy, certificate relating to maintenance, aircraft-related photos, radio station license copy, logbook scans, log card scans, insurance document scans, release documents, status reports. Note, these documents are not meant to duplicate the substantiating documents uploaded for compliance of individual tasks. Naming the fields. The fields provided in AMP for the archiving of documents are designed to make the identification and retrieval of stored documents easier. While users may use the reference and description fields in any way that they wish, Avdex suggests the following. The reference field, as the name suggests, should refer to the actual original document naming convention. No two doc references should be the same. These must be unique. In other words, a work pack would be AMO name work pack number. The certificate of airworthiness copy would be the C of A number with the sequence number after a backslash as it appears on the actual certificate. This sequence number changes annually. So the reference would be C of A aircraft registration certificate number sequence number. CRMA reference would be CRMA aircraft registration certificate number. Aircraft photos would be photo aircraft registration date. Radio station license would be radio station license aircraft registration date. Logbook scans would be logbook aircraft registration or component serial number page number to page number. Log card scans would be part name part number date. Insurance docs would be aircraft registration insurance date. Release docs would be aircraft registration or component serial number certificate number. Status reports would be status aircraft registration or component serial number date. The description field allows for a longer explanation of the documents. This may be the major inspection complied with at the work pack, i.e. Phase 4 INSP date, HSI serial number date or gear overhaul date. An inspection report description would be borescope report serial number or strip report date. Document uploading. Select the aircraft. Select Add New File. Enter a reference for local identification. This reference may not be duplicated. Enter the document description. Select the doc type from the drop-down list. Enter the date. Press Choose File to select the document for upload. Press the green tick button to upload the archive file. To retrieve documents linked to an aircraft, press the Update Download Links button to refresh the links. Select the desired file and press the black page icon on the right.